guys, so today I'm going to show you this doorbell that I've just bought. I decided to get this doorbell because I wasn't really happy with the ring that I had. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take it out of the box and then show you guys what's included. Okay, so all the bits here. Then you get the doorbell here. So you get all the other bits in here. So you got the internet. This is the power stuff. Got another bits and bobs. And then you've got another wiring here. The battery life on it, guys, is 180 days. And then, but if you got external, if you already got existing wiring, then you can connect it with the wiring. Yeah, but this one, there is no monthly fees with it, so obviously it just stores all the footages and everything on it without you having to pay, whereas with the ring you sort of have to pay a monthly charge for them to store the footages on there. Yeah, it's got like a low power wireless connection between obviously the doorbell and the HomeBase, which is this one that's on there. It's obviously compatible with Google Voice Assistant and Alexa, so you can obviously connect it to that as well, which is good. It's got a two-way audio. Obviously it's got a 2K resolution, which means that the images that it detects is obviously a high quality. It's got IP65 waterproof rating, and if regarding temperature, it could operate between like minus 20 degrees to 50 degrees, so that's obviously good. Yeah, so you can also fully customize detection on there, so you can like draw an activity zone where it will only detect the areas that you want it to detect, so any pedestrians that go by, or any roads and that, you could just exclude all of those and just put it around your area where your your property is. So for the HomeBase, guys, it needs like the internet connection, or the Ethernet connection that you need is 2.4 gigahertz, which is obviously what's required, for it to sort of work. And then also it's got a military grade AES 256 data encryption, which obviously what that means is that ensures that your footage stays private on transmission and storage. And also, guys, it also, you can connect it to your phone, and you could download the app, and this way you could just manage, and you could see footages, you could just do everything basically on the on the app. It's got like a startup, it's got the guide here as well, which you could use. Also on the box, guys, you could see everything that's included. So you've got the doorbell, you've got the micro USB charging cable, no, is this one, and then you've got the extension cable, then you've got a screw pack, you've got this one, which obviously the doorbell goes onto. It's called the screw hole positioning card, and then you've got the mounting bracket as well, which are these, and then yeah, and then you've got the detaching pin, and then you've got the HomeBase, and then you've got the HomeBase adapter here, and then you've got the Ethernet cable, you know, warning stickers and things on here, and then you've got the guide. So yeah, everything you need is in the guide. You can just check that out. So yeah, we're gonna give this a try. I think this is much more better than the you know, the one that we had, and the main reason I bought it is because I was, you know, paying monthly fees to have the footages, you know, stored, whereas with this one there is no, you know, monthly fees. It stores everything on there, so it's so much better. And you know, the quality and everything is obviously much, you know, much better with this. And then this home, you know, the home thing has got a 60 gigabyte local storage, the HomeBase, which is also quite good as well. Yeah guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.